Looking for the best honeymoon travel site in Europe? Well, you're in the right place. We're here to bring you the latest updates on the greatest destinations for newlyweds. Europe, a continent steeped in history, culture, and romance, is a hub for honeymooners. And today, we're going to explore the top picks that have been making waves in the travel world. First, let's talk about the city of love, Paris. The allure of the Eiffel Tower, the charm of the River Seine, and the taste of authentic French cuisine have always made it a favorite among couples. Next on the list is Santorini, Greece. Known for its stunning sunsets, blue-domed churches, and whitewashed buildings, this island provides an idyllic backdrop for a romantic getaway. In Italy, the Amalfi Coast is winning hearts with its breathtaking coastline, quaint towns, and delectable cuisine. A boat ride along the coast or a leisurely stroll through the streets of Positano can be the perfect way to celebrate love. And let's not forget about Spain's Costa Brava. With its stunning beaches, charming fishing villages, and excellent seafood, it's a haven for couples seeking a mix of relaxation and adventure. Meanwhile, in the north, the Scottish Highlands offer a different kind of romantic escapade. With its rugged landscapes, historic castles, and cozy pubs, it's a unique choice for newlyweds who love nature and history. Now, if luxury is what you're after, then Switzerland's St. Moritz is the place to be. Known as a playground for the rich and famous, it offers world-class skiing, gourmet dining, and high-end shopping. And lastly, for a fairy tale-like honeymoon, there's no better place than Austria's Hallstatt. This picturesque village, with its charming houses, serene lake, and surrounding mountains, is like a scene straight out of a storybook. In summary, whether you're looking for a city of love like Paris, a sun-drenched island like Santorini, a coastline full of charm like the Amalfi Coast, a beach paradise like Costa Brava, a historic beauty like the Scottish Highlands, a luxury haven like St. Moritz, or a fairy tale village like Hallstatt, Europe has it all. So when you're planning your honeymoon, consider these top picks. They've been making headlines for a reason, and they might just be the perfect place for you to start your forever. Remember, your honeymoon is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, so make it count. Happy travels.